This is my data, and I want to sort this numbers from lower to uh, small to largest, or largest to small. So we can do this in two way. Either I can select this table, and then I can go to the home. Here you will find the option sort and filter. You can select the option either sort smallest to largest, or you can select sort largest to the smallest. So I want to do smallest to largest, so I'll click on this number, expand the selection, or continue with the current. So if you'll expand the selection, then your other cells will also move according to this uh, column B. Or if you'll continue with the current section, then only this B column will shuffle. So I want to expand the selection. So you can see the number has sorted, and the lowest value is 28 and highest is 38, and the values in the column A is also shuffled as per the uh, values in the column B. So we'll undo this, and we'll see the another option. So you can select again, you can select the values you want to sort, and then go to data, and here you can select A to Z, that is your smallest to largest, or you can select largest to smallest. Here in this option, I will select Z to A, that is largest to smallest. Again it will ask me the same question, and here I will only select continue with the current section. So and then click on the sort. So here the values are sorted from largest to the lowest, and only values in the column B is shuffled, whereas the values in the column A are as it is. Thank you.